food of your choice.
Yeah.
So you know you have the nice fish, the nice food, the light lobster. You know you have the enjoyment, the fun. You have the water bar. From the starting to the ending of back road, you have a lot of bar, game slots and all this thing. Nightclubs. You know the girl man them can go have a look of vibes and everything. So it's a lot of excitement, enjoyment going on back road. So back road is a festive place.
Oh, some form of entertainment they run up for somebody.
Everybody.
Such a youth.
So if you want girls to say you want do a little thing, you want buy a sex or buy something, you have that. If you want to eat a fish, you want to eat a lobster, a pump, everything you have around here. If you want to say you want to have a drink, you can get that too. If you want to play 2 box, you can get that. Everything around here.
That's why around your popular song.